All right, so this is a pretty straightforward one. This is Algebra 1 readiness. Now, this could be for those that are entering into ninth grade, I believe. That's when Algebra 1 starts going in. So, just simplifying different expressions, algebraic expressions, which are the ones that are up here, algebraic expressions, combining like terms and using the distributive property. Now, simplifying this, main thing is you find like terms. These are like terms, these are like terms. Do not forget the negative. And then this is a like term with this. So you have 5x minus 2x is going to be 3x. And then you have 7 plus 4. We know that one. I mean, I hope so. That would be your answer for the very first one. The second one that's here, this is where we call distributive. Now, with distributive that is here, you're going to want to distribute to these specific sections. Now, you have -3. The biggest thing, and please don't forget this, is you're also including this negative. So now it's like saying -3 times 4. And that's going to be -12. Bring the a over. Now, a negative times a negative is a negative. No, it's not. It's positive. So this would be your answer for the second one. See, you distribute -3 to 4, so -12, and then just move the a. And then -3 and -5 is going to be -15 because 3 times 5 is going to be 15. And then you just, boop, you have two negatives, so you just add it, whatever it is. Not add it, addition. Now, next one that's here, simplify. I'll give you a couple seconds to do this one. Well, that was like 4 seconds. So distribute here, distribute here. You have 2x because you're distributing it, which means you multiply it. 2 times 3 is going to be 6. Now, we're already done with all these parentheses here. So this is like all of this here. And then just move the rest down, plus 4x. We're trying to simplify it. Remember, like terms. This is like this one. So you put these two together and you're adding it. You're going to get 6x. And then you just move this one over, plus 6. And dun dun dun. And if you want to make it complicated for yourself, next thing you know, you can change this over. And you can have x plus 1 and then have 6 on the outside. Because if you distribute it, guess what? You get back to this. This over here, evaluate the expression if, don't get confused, x is going to be this. X is this. -3. Plug in -3 here. Yes, I know it's x squared, but x is -3, so move this little bitty boy over. -3. Now let's move this over. What's -3 squared? That's like saying -3 times -3. What's that going to be? 9. Now we already figured this out. Now 9 minus 5 is going to be exactly 14. Nah, I'm joking. It's only 4. So don't forget some of the stuff that's there. It's simply combining like terms, distributing, algebraic expressions. The rest of this worksheet, I'll see if I can just throw it into the video. If not, well then, here's the rest that you can probably look into. Yeah, you see all that? See all that? Very nice. There you go.